Hey friends, Susan here. We have our third DSP Paper Share sketch project today. Today our project is going to feature the Let's Go Fishing DSP. I thought this layer was pretty cute with all those little fishies. So here's what I started with. I've got a card base, the DSP, some very vanilla, and another piece of mossy meadow. First, let's cut down our DSP into the sections shown above. Now go ahead and stamp your selected sentiment. I chose sometimes the most productive thing you can do is relax from the In the Moment stamp set. I did use Mossy Meadow to coordinate with my cardstock, and I stamped that on the very vanilla. Then I used my Something Fancy dies and die cut 2 layers, one from the Mossy Meadow and then my sentiment from the very vanilla. Here are all my pieces ready to go for the card. I've got the card base 5.5 by 8.5, the layer of DSP 5 by 3 3/4, my 2 die cut fancy dies for the sentiment, and I decided to add some linen thread for embellishment. So let's start making our background. Take the DSP and the linen thread. Now flip the DSP over, add 2 mini glue dots, you can see them in the circles, and then tack and start wrapping the thread. Once your thread is attached, go ahead and add that layer to your card front with liquid adhesive. Then I layered my sentiment tags with liquid adhesive and then added them to the final project with dimensionals. So here we go, the final project. Simple DSP layer with the sentiment tags popped up on dimensionals with that embellishment of linen thread. As you know, I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, so please shop with me online to support my creative endeavors. When you do, you'll receive a card kit from me with a tutorial as a thank you, something fun for you to put together. You can always find me online at susanwebster.stampinup.net, or you can follow my blog at pumpkinhillstampers.thesearemystamps.com. Thanks for joining me today. I'll be back soon with some more fun projects to share.